In today's fast-paced world, finding time for cooking can feel impossible. We often turn to expensive takeout or unhealthy convenience foods. But there's a better way: meal prepping. Meal prepping saves time and money. It helps you eat healthier. This essay will show you how to cook 28 meals for 2 adults on a budget. We'll focus on simple, high-protein, low-carb meals. These meals are affordable and easy to prepare. Get ready to take control of your budget and your health with the power of meal prep. Protein is crucial for a healthy diet. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied. This helps prevent overeating. For our meal plan, we'll focus on affordable protein sources. These sources include chicken breasts, 5 pounds. Chicken is a lean protein. It's affordable and versatile. Use it in various dishes. Ground turkey, 3 pounds. A healthier alternative to ground beef. Ground turkey is lean and flavorful. Eggs, 2 dozen. Eggs are a great source of protein. They are inexpensive and versatile for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Canned tuna, 4 cans. Tuna is a pantry staple. It's packed with protein and healthy fats. Tuna is great for quick lunches or snacks. These protein sources will be the building blocks of our meals. They provide the nutrients you need to stay satisfied and energized throughout the day. Vegetables add flavor, nutrients, and color to our meals. They're also budget-friendly. Incorporating a variety of vegetables into your diet can enhance the taste and nutritional value of your dishes. We'll incorporate a variety of vegetables. Broccoli, 2 heads. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse. It's not only rich in vitamins but also high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for a healthy diet. It's packed with vitamins and fiber. Broccoli is versatile and can be used in numerous recipes. Use it in stir-fries, roasted, or as a side dish. Spinach, 6-ounce container. Spinach is another fantastic vegetable to include in your meals. Spinach is a versatile leafy green. It's packed with nutrients. This leafy green is not only nutritious but also very adaptable in various dishes. Add it to salads, smoothies, or sauté it as a side. Its mild flavor makes it a great addition to many recipes. Bell peppers, 3 assorted colors. Bell peppers are another colorful and nutritious option. Bell peppers add sweetness and crunch to dishes. They come in various colors, each with its unique flavor profile. They are full of vitamins. Bell peppers are especially high in vitamin C, which is great for your immune system. Enjoy them raw, roasted, or sautéed. Onions, 2 onions are a staple in many cuisines around the world. Onions are a staple in many cuisines. They add a depth of flavor that is hard to replicate with other ingredients. They add flavor to any dish. Whether sautéed, caramelized, or raw, onions enhance the taste of your meals. Onions are a great source of antioxidants. These antioxidants help in fighting inflammation and boosting your immune system. Frozen mixed vegetables, 2 bags. Frozen vegetables are a convenient and affordable option. Frozen vegetables are convenient and affordable. They are perfect for those times when fresh vegetables are not available. They provide a variety of nutrients. Despite being frozen, they retain most of their nutritional value. Keep them on hand for quick meal additions. They are perfect for quick and easy meal preparations. These vegetables provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Including a variety of vegetables in your diet ensures you get a wide range of nutrients. They add flavor and texture to our meals, so make sure to include these vegetables in your daily diet for a healthier and more flavorful eating experience. Pantry staples are the foundation of many meals. Having a well-stocked pantry ensures you can whip up a variety of dishes without needing to run to the store frequently. They last a long time and are budget-friendly. Here are some essentials. Brown rice, 1 pound brown rice, is a whole grain that is not only nutritious but also incredibly versatile. Brown rice is a whole grain. It can be used in a multitude of recipes, from stir-fries to casseroles. It's a good source of fiber. Fiber is essential for digestive health and can help keep you feeling full longer. Brown rice is a healthier alternative to white rice. Quinoa, 1 pound. Quinoa is another fantastic staple to have on hand. Quinoa is a complete protein. This means it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. It contains all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. Quinoa is a nutritious and versatile grain. It can be used in salads, as a side dish, or even as a breakfast porridge. Black beans, 2 cans. Black beans are a good source of protein and fiber. They are also rich in antioxidants, which are beneficial for your health. They are inexpensive and versatile. You can use them in a variety of dishes, from Mexican cuisine to hearty soups. Use black beans in salads, soups, or as a side dish. Diced tomatoes, 2 cans. Diced tomatoes are another must-have. Diced tomatoes add flavor and nutrients to sauces, soups, and stews. They are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes. They're a pantry staple for quick and easy meals. Olive oil, 1 bottle olive oil is a kitchen essential. Olive oil is a healthy fat. It's great for cooking and dressing salads, adding a rich flavor to your dishes. It's great for cooking and dressing salads. Olive oil is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil has heart-healthy benefits. Including it in your diet can help improve your overall health. These pantry staples are versatile and affordable. They can be the building blocks for countless meals, making your cooking more efficient and enjoyable. They form the base for many delicious and nutritious meals. With these staples on hand, you'll always be prepared to create something wonderful in the kitchen. Section 5, Sample Meal Plan, Putting it all together. Now let's put everything together. This is where all the planning and preparation come to life. This sample meal plan provides 2 meals per day for 2 adults over 4 weeks. It's designed to be flexible and adaptable. Feel free to adjust portion sizes and meals to fit your needs and preferences. Customization is key to making this plan work for you. For breakfast, we have scrambled eggs with spinach and diced tomatoes. This is a nutritious and delicious way to start your day. For lunch, enjoy a refreshing tuna salad with mixed greens and bell peppers. It's light yet satisfying. Another breakfast option is overnight oats with berries. This is not included in the grocery list, so make sure to add it if you want to try it. For lunch, a chicken and black bean salad with a vinaigrette dressing is a great choice. It's packed with protein and flavor. Another breakfast idea is scrambled eggs with onions and peppers. This adds a bit of a kick to your morning meal. For lunch, you can have leftover chicken and black bean salad. Leftovers are a great way to save time and reduce waste. Breakfast can also be overnight oats with berries. This is a convenient option for busy mornings. For lunch, try a turkey and vegetable stir-fry with brown rice. It's a hearty and balanced meal. Breakfast can be scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes again. Repeating meals can simplify your planning. For lunch, have leftover turkey and vegetable stir-fry. Leftovers make meal prep easier. Breakfast can be overnight oats with berries once more. It's a versatile and easy option. For lunch, enjoy tuna salad with crackers. This adds a nice crunch to your meal. For breakfast, you can have pancakes using pantry staples. And for lunch, you can enjoy leftovers from previous meals. This is just a sample meal plan for 1 week. Feel free to adapt it to your own schedule and preferences. You can mix and match ingredients to create your own combinations. The goal is to make meal planning enjoyable and stress-free. Section 6. Week 1. Delicious and easy meal ideas. Let's delve into some specific meal ideas for the first week using our grocery list. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast. Sauté spinach and diced tomatoes in olive oil. Add beaten eggs and cook until set. Season with salt and pepper. Combine canned tuna, chopped bell peppers, and your favorite dressing. Serve over a bed of mixed greens for a light and refreshing lunch. These meals are quick and easy to prepare. They provide a healthy and satisfying start to your day. Section 7. Week 2. Keeping the momentum going. Combine rolled oats, milk, not included in the grocery list, and your favorite sweetener in a jar. Let it sit overnight in the refrigerator for a quick and easy breakfast. Top with fresh berries for added flavor and nutrition. Cook chicken breasts, baked, grilled, or shredded. Combine cooked chicken, black beans, chopped bell peppers, onions, and your favorite vinaigrette dressing. This salad is filling and flavorful. These meals are perfect for busy mornings and lunches on the go. They are packed with protein and fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Section 8. Week 3. Exploring new flavors. Day 15. For breakfast, we'll have scrambled eggs with onions and peppers. Sauté chopped onions and bell peppers in olive oil until softened. Add beaten eggs and cook until set. Season with salt, pepper, and your favorite spices. For lunch, enjoy the remaining chicken and black bean salad from day 8. This is a great way to use up leftovers and save time. These meals continue to utilize our grocery list ingredients in new and delicious ways. They provide variety and flavor to keep your taste buds happy. Section 9. Week 4. Finishing strong and feeling great. Day 22. For breakfast, repeat the overnight oats recipe from day 8 for another quick and nutritious start to your day. For lunch, sauté ground turkey with chopped broccoli, onions, and your favorite stir-fry sauce. Serve over a bed of cooked brown rice for a satisfying and flavorful meal. As we wrap up our month of meal prepping, these meals provide a delicious and healthy way to finish strong. Section 10. Tips for Success. Mastering the art of meal prep. Follow these tips for successful meal prepping. Plan ahead. Take some time each week to plan out your meals. This will help you stay organized and avoid last-minute trips to the grocery store. Prep in bulk. Cook large batches of grains, proteins, and vegetables at the beginning of the week. This will save you time and effort throughout the week. Use leftovers. Don't let leftovers go to waste. Repurpose them into new meals or freeze them for later. Get creative. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor combinations and recipes. Meal prepping should be fun and enjoyable. These tips will help you make the most of your meal prepping experience. Section 11. Conclusion. Your journey to budget-friendly meals. Meal prepping is a game changer for busy individuals and families. By following this budget-friendly grocery list and meal plan, you can enjoy delicious, healthy, and affordable meals throughout the month. Remember to adjust the plan to fit your dietary needs and preferences. Embrace the convenience and cost savings of meal prepping. Start cooking your way to a healthier and happier you.
Welcome to Brewed Content with Ms.Coffee. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe today.